Are you a young professional struggling to make ends meet? The path to prosperity is not as clear as it once was. The rise of artificial intelligence has brought job insecurity, making it harder to find a stable position in the corporate world. Meanwhile, wages remain stagnant, barely keeping up with the cost of living. And then there's the elephant in the room, student loan debt. It's like a dark cloud hovering over your head, making it nearly impossible to get ahead. You've tried to pivot, to adapt, dipping your toes into the gig economy, but the returns are hardly worth the effort. The dream of starting your own business seems like a beacon of hope, but with the myriad of scams in the work from home marketplace, it's hard to distinguish the legitimate opportunities from the frauds. The struggle is real, but remember, you're educated, ambitious, and ready to learn. You just need the right opportunity. Picture this. You're in a coffee shop, laptop open, the aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingling with your anticipation. You've just had a video call with your first potential client, a result of your SMS campaign. The conversation went well. The client seems interested. Suddenly, your phone buzzes with a new message. It's a confirmation. Your first deal is sealed. A wave of relief washes over you. You did it. You took the leap, embraced the done-for-you business, and it's beginning to pay off. This is your turning point, the moment when the struggles of being a young professional begin to fade into the background, replaced by the exciting promise of your new venture. This is the moment when you realize that you've made the right choice, that your efforts are finally bearing fruit. You're no longer just dreaming of success, you're living it. But remember, this is just the beginning. There's a whole world of opportunity out there waiting for you to seize it. Let's continue this journey together. Imagine a business that's already set up for you, free to join and ready to generate income. Sounds like a dream, right? But let's add some reality to that dream. Picture a system, a done-for-you business system that's designed to put you on the fast track to success. Think about it. No need to start from scratch. No need to go through the trial and error of setting up your own business. This system gives you access to done-for-you funnels, those powerful tools that guide your potential customers through the buying process, converting them from leads into loyal clients. But the magic doesn't stop there. How about SMS campaigns? Yes, we're talking about those text messages that land directly in your customers' hands, the ones that keep them engaged, informed, and connected to your business. With this system, those campaigns are already set up and ready for you to launch. And let's not forget about email drip campaigns, those automated sets of emails that go out to your customers over time, building relationships and trust. With this system, those email sequences are already crafted for you, just waiting for you to press send. Now let's talk income. This done-for-you business system doesn't just offer one stream of income, it offers multiple streams. That means you have the potential to earn money in different ways, diversifying your income and giving you a greater chance at financial stability and success. But what about the cost? Well, the beauty of this system is that it's free to join. And if you decide to upgrade, the cost is surprisingly low, making it even easier for you to get started on your journey to success. So you see, this isn't just a dream. With this system, you have all the tools you need for immediate success. It's time to stop imagining and start doing. The path to your success is already laid out for you. All you have to do is take the first step. So what's stopping you from taking the leap? The world is shifting, and now is the perfect time to shift with it. This done-for-you business is a viable solution to your professional struggles and financial worries. Imagine no more sleepless nights over unpaid bills or student loan debts. Instead, picture a life where you're your own boss, where you have control over your income. The best part? You can get started right now with done-for-you funnels, SMS campaigns, email drip campaigns, and multiple streams of income. You're not just starting a business, you're building an empire. And don't worry about not having many business skills. This system is designed to be easy and quick to learn. You'll be building your team before you know it. And remember, a strong team means a strong business. So, are you ready to transform your life? Contact the person who sent you this video today for more information. Your future is waiting.